In addition to video sharing with augmented reality and accessing equipment PLCs, Pearson can also support customers remotely using camera and DVR setups. Camera setups are often used during installation and startup when fine-tuning and adjustments are generally needed. When our support teams need to observe equipment that's critical for sustaining operations, or get eyes on multiple pieces of equipment at once to understand what's happening across the line, cameras and DVRs are great tools. Cameras can be proactively installed on your machines to be turned on whenever you need them, and you can purchase and set up the equipment by yourself or rely on Pearson for this. Depending on the situation, our tech support team can view video footage live, at specified time periods, or with a trigger option. For example, a fault might prompt the digital video recorder to save a specified amount of time before an event occurs. The footage can be recorded and downloaded for reviewing and sharing between team members. Having a visual record of occurrences helps our service group piece together timelines to determine the root of errors. It can also help us pinpoint adjustments that staff members may have made that impact the way equipment operates. Similar to other remote support methods Pearson customers utilize, camera setups are completely secure. A remote connection is established using a router or VPN connection supplied by you, and the DVR receives a local network IP address in order to be accessible by our team. Your organization has full control over video footage access. So whenever an equipment issue arises, remember that Pearson is here to help. Contact us when an error occurs so we can recommend the best remote support tool for your situation. We'll always try to save you the delay and cost of a service trip when possible.